Oh, every day I pray, Jesus, don't leave me alone. They think that I'm praying.
Alright guys, I landed. I'm trying to look for Chachi and Favor right now. Finally arrived. Look at these girls. My dear, open the boots. Hey girl. Yo, they bought me food. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry, bro. Yeah, this food looks like it's slamming. Also want to tell you that In-N-Out burger was banging. It was so juicy, so flavorful. I would definitely give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Fries, when I got it, was cold and dry and crinkly, so I can't really be the best one to judge that, but that burger, top tier. Not gonna lie, at this moment I'm even wondering whether or not it's worth going to the club at this time. It's 11:30. It's gonna take us about an hour to get ready. And then how many minutes to drive? How y'all feeling? Irritated? Chaotic.
Draco. On and off, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run up with the figures. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to the middle.
That was enjoyment though. But yeah, we met this one guy that has a whole testy director. He says he works with Blueface and all that stuff. But basically this man Blueface anyway. Blueface baby. It's down Tatiana. Oh him.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
But he invited us to this like beach party and all this stuff. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated. It's been fun so far. Day one. Check.
There's somebody that with my spec.
See,
there's so many.
No, literally.
The next day.
So, your girl is ready. Do y'all see this look? I wish I could have filmed this because I did not think any of this would work out the way it needed to. But wow, we don't like get into the like it's giving too much. Y'all, I'm so as in, is this me?
I deserve some accolades.
Accolades.
Oh no, I pay my dues.
Fine, babe. And y'all need to see these girls because it's nothing to play with. As in, look what these fine babes. As in, it's not easy.
I want to harvest you. You are corn. No? You are very ripe corn.
It's not easy. It's not. No, shut up. I mean, it's giving 100%. Period. Okay. How? As in, no, where did I get these girls from? I'm just honored to be in their presence.
We're honored to be.
No, I'm fine, delicious.
Please.
Oh, it's just too much for me. But you guys, we're supposed to head over to a boat party. I don't know if we're gonna actually get there on time at all. The thing apparently started at 12, and the person that invited us, they were not waiting any longer because we literally have been getting ready for five hours or so. But as you can see, it was worth it, y'all. And this hair was done by me, a whole me. Like I thought I fumbled the bag with this wig. Not even gonna lie. And then the makeup. This is the look, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. I want to show you guys this bathing suit I got from Shein. I got it in a size medium. We're just here to look cute. That's all. Nobody better throw us into any type of water. Listen, throw my clothes on it. It's in the bag. Should be on the right side. We finally entered the car. We can only thank God because it took us literally how long? I think it was like 4 hours. That was like more. That was probably like 6 hours for us to get ready. Wow. I'm telling you, we finally just. I'm not even quite sure how we
I'm never gonna question it, but we're here. And we made this one famous TikTok time, you know.
I don't know how the heck we got here.
Guys, so I don't know how we got
literally.
here.
It all started with one little party. Well, y'all, it's the next day. I didn't really film yesterday at that little party thing.
Look at that one silly lash holding on for dear life.
It was just so much going on, and I feel like everyone kind of knew each other. So for me to just be filming kind of seemed kind of somehow. We are up and we're going to hike that Hollywood sign thing. So that's what we're getting ready for. Stay tuned. Hi y'all, we outside. Oh my God, no, I forgot to do. Put on deodorant.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth.
Alright y'all, it's been 15 minutes. I'm even gonna lie, we tired. Tired AF. How you feeling, Chechi?
I'm tired. My legs are hurting. You already know I'm tired. You don't even gotta ask me.
I'm concerned about out of everything, I'm concerned about my legs.
Jesus!
Place is beautiful though. I'll give it that for sure.
Yeah, it is. It really is.
Very, very nice view.
She really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how.
This is our last day here. It's currently 6:30 in the morning and we're on the way to the airport. I enjoyed my time in LA, honestly. We are excited for a new location now, so we're on to St. Thomas. See you there.
I don't want that girl cause she want me cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping on me. Dreadlock that cap on me. Back then ain't napped on me. Throw that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping on me. Dreadlock that cap on me.
Hi to my YouTube, Linky.
No. I'm a shy guy, man.
It's Shy Guy. Alright, it's the morning after. This is our view. What's cool for the people? Looks like it's gonna rain today, not even gonna lie. We're gonna go out and get some breakfast. I don't know if we're gonna make it to breakfast because it's 11. You know how we take forever to get ready. But we're gonna go to Gladys's Cafe, get some food, go from there. We wanna do probably either a nighttime excursion and then plan a daytime excursion tomorrow. So we want to go to the beach today, so we'll see. Oh, let me show you my fit though. Just can you hold it here to each other? Sure. Okay. We're gonna bring down some to my dress. Oh gosh. Chechi, what kind of camera skill is this?
I like the bed to myself.
This is a terrible cameraman. I'm going hard with the pictures though. You give her some small instructions. By the time this video is up, I would have already dropped my pic. So go ahead and like, babes, and follow me on IG at chinonyeeee. All right, see y'all. Nighttime. We missed dinner, so we're gonna look around for a new location. Y'all, this is our second rejection from a restaurant. It's 9:30. Everyone wants to close for some reason. Update, we found somewhere and it was literally 2 minutes from our hotel instead of us walking down 15 minutes. But I'm just glad someone was able to take us. But I don't understand why they closing so early. Like, do you want my money or not? They must not want it. They don't play. We don't know it, please. Come on. Take a sip. Yeah. Nah, they were trying to kick us out by that point, but we did not care. What a banger. What? No, we are enjoying us. No, spiritually rich. One more song. Guy has been texting Chechi ever since we left LA. Just sending her nonsense messages. But listen to the voice recording.
He got a whole girlfriend.
He has a whole girlfriend.
Hey, beautiful. Why would you say that? Who said I have a girlfriend in the first place? Oh man, y'all, good morning. All right, you guys, it is morning and we're gonna get breakfast. We got up earlier, no one put on makeup, so that sped up the whole process. Let's see where we're going. I think we're going to Delilah, Deli something. I won't tell you, but something fishy. My kitchen's going down. Something fishy. Something fishy is going down. You know how hard it was for us to get here? Exactly. We took one bus, then we had to trek. It was something. We did.
of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
It's worth it.
Worth every penny.
Worth every.
I'll video all day, but we're supposed to be going to dinner. It's 9:30. It's reaching the point of rejection, and these girls are still getting ready. Again, we're doing a bare face because this. When I tell you, there's something in the water here that will brighten up your skin. If you want to just calm, just to brighten up your skin, just.
Alright, update. We came super late when the kitchen closed, but luckily our waiter looked out for us. We got some tacos. So we got some tacos. We're gonna eat that to go. I don't know what's next. I don't know if we'll actually go to this party or not, but we'll see. It's fine, babes. Ooh, I mean, fine. Y'all, this taco is busting. This literally has to be one of the best tacos we've had.
Girl, them skill arty. Thunderball. Some give it to, some give it to, some give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Thunderball say, well, I'm on the way the time. Cold, I wanna be keeping you warm.
Y'all know it's nighttime, but update on that party. It was ghetto. That wasn't it. Party closed by 12. We got there by 11:30. The person who brought us left us. This is our last day. Tomorrow, Thursday, we are just taking pictures, and then we're going to catch our flight by 6 p.m. Or our flight leaves at 6 p.m., so we'll be there by 3.
The next day.
Morning, y'all. It is finally the last day. It sounds harsh to say, but yeah, I'm ready to go home. I did my makeup, and we're gonna go to Deli Deck, do photo shoot, and then we'll go from there. But y'all see the fit, y'all see the fit, y'all see the hair, y'all see the makeup. Yeah, your girl is snatched.
Oh my god, because you're from, oh my god.
Got it. Oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all.
We're at the airport. Me and Keisha went to the bathroom to wash our makeup off. It feels so much better. It feels so much better. Kind of hungry again. Top is gonna be ATL, and then from ATL, RDU, and then that's it. That's the wrap. Back to reality. Back to reality. This is the finale. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Bye. Keisha, say bye. Oh, yes,
Every day I pray, Jesus, don't leave me alone. They think that I'm prey, they don't know I'm not alone. Petty minds decide to dump me off of my throne, but the king will be king, so you won't get to me.